Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the Scalper Signal Indicator for MT4. This tool is designed to generate clear on-chart scalping signals so you can quickly see when its internal criteria suggest a potential short-term opportunity in the Forex markets. At this point, I'll just go ahead and load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright. So as you can see, the Scalper Signal Indicator typically plots arrows or other visual markers on the main price chart whenever its built-in scalping conditions are met. Bullish signals appear as markers below price bars, as you can see down here, visually indicating that according to the indicator, conditions favor a potential upward move. Bearish signals appear as markers above price bars, as you can see over here, upwards, indicating that short-term conditions may favor a potential downward move. As new bars form, the chart fills with these markers, creating a visual history of where the indicator has identified potential scalping zones without dictating exact trade management rules. And how about the settings? Let's take a look at the inputs. Alright, so the core inputs we have are the count bars, the FS, and then the sensitivity. We can also customize the colors of the arrows as well, so it fits in perfectly with your MT4 chart theme, and we can trade with it on our preferred time frames. So who is this indicator for? The Scalper Signal Indicator is best suited to active traders and scalpers who want explicit on-chart signals on lower time frames. It is an analytical and visual tool only and does not execute or manage trades because signals are based on historical price patterns. They can be false, late, or frequent in choppy markets. As with all scalping tools, traders should combine it with additional confirmation, such as trend filters, higher time frame context, and careful risk management to avoid overtrading. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Scalper Signal Indicator and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.